Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. 2005 Honda Pilot. The customer says that, you see, the car is running. But when it's cold, you have to crank, long cranking before it's run. I just want to see if there is any code, or before we say, okay, change this, change that. Maybe the fuel pump regulator, the pressure regulator, maybe it's no good, and then it doesn't keep the fuel online for longer time when you park. But this is when the weather was cold. But when we put it outside, when you put the car inside the room, you know, like nice room temperature, there is no problem at all. If you have any idea about it, please let us know. I just want to check the cooling temperature sensor, how it is now. Is it reading good? And when it's cold, how is read? Before you go crazy. No, I don't have it right now. I'm just in a steering column, just you call me. So, okay, now you have Honda Pilot 2005. I just want to know if there is any code, and if there is no code, we can go to another destination. Or we can look at the data and code to see if there is anything there. Charging system is perfect, battery is good. I want to read codes. No code. Let me go to data to see if there is anything like the temperature, cooling temperature sensor. Cooling temperature sensor 88, 84, which is not bad. Engine RPM. I don't believe there is any problem in this car now. The car started fine. Does it because the temperature was very low and the car was cool, the weather is very cold? I am not sure. But I see like everything is good. Okay, everything look good. 90-degree cooling temperature. 85 cooling temperature too, because this car have two cooling temperature sensor. Okay, 90-degree is not bad. And it's going up. I'm gonna give gas to see if it's gonna go up more than that. If it's stuck only on 90 degrees, no, but you see it's going up. You see 92 is going up, which is good. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any idea, please give it to us. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, and see you in another video.